this workout outfit. Gonna empty my bag. Got a snack today from H Mart. I've never seen it before, so I want to try it. 뿌찌뿌린 초코. I'm gonna put in my AirPods. I'm telling you, I'm here.
Oh.
But it looks fine. I feel like this process has been going on for a while, so I don't know, I just want to know what's happening and stuff like that. I'm really extremely lucky and grateful to be in a situation like this where I have time to be able to do things like this. I changed my major to nursing again. And this time, it's like I found something I actually want to do. And I know it's like, it's weird to do it like in your third year, like you did 2 years. I was told that the 2 years of being in business were wasted, but for me, I don't think that time was wasted, to be honest, because from that I learned that there's something I actually want to do. But I don't think it was wasted at all, even though most people are set with what they want to do, or like first or second year of uni, but I think it's okay. If you know you really want to do it, I think you should do it. I don't usually talk about like what I'm doing and things like that. Hopefully it's not that weird. Oh, well, good thing is that I already have like a lot of I have a few of the prereqs already, so that's really nice. Right now I'm just reviewing. I'm just like getting a basic idea of what I'll be studying. Also recently, I guess recently, I've been writing these notepads. But I've been using these notepads like every single night while doing my skincare. Like while I wait for the skincare to soak in, I've been using this. It's so... Anyway, I had a meeting with my advisor and she didn't show up. So that was... I even like messaged her. I messaged a different one and she was really nice. I feel like I've just been collecting them over the past few weeks. I have like I don't know why. I have a playlist. I have so many videos of playlists. It's crazy. This is my favorite. I'm dreaming. I put my Christmas tree in the background. It's an advent calendar style, kindly sent it to me. I can't really make any expressions. Ta-da! What's this? Oh, it's from Romance! Oh, I've never had these before. They're better than cheek blushes. Hello. I'm about to leave for class, but oh yeah, happy December. It's gonna be a pretty busy day. I'm dreaming. Finished my last exam. I have not been filming a lot just because I've just been like doused in work trying to get everything finished, but I'm done. I also had my last class a few days ago. I told you I've not been updating a lot. I've been quite busy, but I guess I'm on break now. I'm not really, because I'm gonna have a meeting to my advisor to help me with my classes, to help choose them. Other than that, I'm kind of done. If you know my style, I talked about my studying style I don't even know when, but a while ago. There's this exam that I have to take like in a year or so. I've just been immersing myself in it. Yes, that's my update. Hello? Hey, you can probably see my huge pile of clothes. Still a little pack of me. But I'm gonna put most of these clothes in the box. I'm gonna have a bag for dresses. I got a steamer actually on Shopee. I'm just kind of confused. When I opened the review in Shopee, there's like random pictures of idols and like food and their dogs. It's like a whole Facebook page. That's just my revelation. This dress, I love this dress. I wore it last year. Don't really care about wearing dresses more than once because it's so pretty. I'm gonna be there for Christmas and for the New Year's, and I'm just gonna stuff it in there like that. It's still not sinking into my head because I know we got it at the beginning of the year. It's more like I'm surprised that a year went by this fast. I organized everything. I haven't caught up with my... What's this called again? Well, this thing. I haven't caught up with it yet. I'm gonna complete the calendar for December. The last day of the year is gonna be on a Saturday. Here is the start of it. So we can have this little pouch with stickers. I like that. this one. Order? Oh, Abby, I accidentally ordered 2. Abby, help me. We're at our Vlogmas sushi bar. No, what did I do? I just grabbed it. I'm like, oh, it's good. Good morning. I'm gonna go to H Mart because I need to do my weekly grocery. Today is not that much. I don't have to get that much today. Your dumplings are ready.
Oh, man.
I got this a while ago. Leftovers. I'm going to pick out some classes for next semester. Honestly, I don't know why I'm so nervous. There's really nothing to be nervous about, but I guess that's just me. Oh, my laptop's dead. How's it dead? It's alive. Just in case you didn't hear about it, I was on live the other day. I shared a Spotify playlist. I don't use Spotify, and people were always asking me for a playlist, so I just decided to make one. I'm off the wait list for one. Eating with abs and boy. Maybe because it's your hands up. Yeah.
Look, I'm starting to have like those invincible mom hands. No, it's because I ordered a freaking Chipotle video.
Hello. Good morning. It is 7th today. Yes. I wanted to try this. Oh, the Beauty of Tosan, their glow serum. I've heard quite a few good reviews about this, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna use this little guy. Feels nice. Oh. Anyway, I hope you liked that video. Oh, I'm gonna try a different style of editing. Cause I kind of like it like when, you know, at the ends of the videos where I just talk and it's like not really edited. I kind of like doing that, but the reason I don't really put that like within like the actual video is because I feel like it's like it gets boring without any cuts. I don't know. I'm like I have to cut everything, so it's like you don't get bored. But I don't know. I feel like I kind of just like talking and not really cutting anything out. It's like I'm actually like talking to you in a way, but I don't know. But I stutter a lot, so that's probably why you're gonna see a lot of cuts. But anyway, I'll see you next week. Bye. Have a good day.
Merry Christmas, 너와 나 함께라서 내겐 너무 소중해.